out po si Gina Colco Ratbumo. Nilabasan agad from Canada. Shout out sa'yo. Gina Colco Ratbumo. Nilabasan agad from Canada. Ayan, ganyan. Ilagay mo rin yung channel ko. Hello to my 11 viewers. Hello guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe me. Thank you so much. Hello to Munna Singhania. Hello Munna Singhania. Thank you for coming to my live and for continuing um, comments in your own language, even though I don't understand. If you can you please try to can you please try to comment in English. Wait, wait. Hello to my 9 viewers. Hello guys. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe me. Thank you so much. Bakit nag-unsubscribe kayo? Shout out po. Si Kantutan tayo. Nilabasan agad from Canada. Shout out. Mary Ann. Makulit. Hello Marian, shout out po si Kantutan tayo nilabasan agad from Canada. Emal Zolpepi. Hi Emal Zolpepi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. Hello to the newcomers. Please don't forget to subscribe and double tap your screen. Double tap your screen, guys. Feel free to comment. Hello to my silent viewers. Hello guys. Feel free to comment. Just ask me anything. Just comment. Say hi. Hi host. Hello to my I love you. Thank you so much for the love, Ernal Zopepi. Thank you so much for the love. Can you please double tap your screen? Double tap like me, please like me. Just double tap your screen. Hello to Muna Singhania. Muna, Mera del Kamahedil se Pyar Karta Hai. Muna Singhania, can you please try to translate your language into English because we didn't understand you, and also me, especially me, I don't understand you. I didn't speak Hindi. Hello to the newcomers, guys. Double tap your skin. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Mary Ann, shout out po si Pining Gerko Fukiko, Tambok, USA. La la la. Sana Mary Ann maging ano ka, maging successful ka balang araw sa mga ganyang post mo. Hello to the newcomers, guys. Hello, welcome to my live. Thank you so much for coming. If you are new here to my YouTube channel, please subscribe me and don't forget to double tap your screen. Double tap your screen, guys. Double tap your screen. I'm pagod na, guys. I'm pagod.